Hello students, already thumbnail is telling that means today's class is for class 9 ICSE. Here in this class, I am going to show you total 4 sums on factorization and another linear equation. These 4 sums are important for your first term exams, even for the annual exam. Now, in these 4 sums, you will find similar types of two factorizations. And even the linear equations, that too also they look similar. But actually, while solving, our approach is different. Why? Let us see. See these two questions. A to the power 4 minus 11a square plus 10 factorize and x to the power 4 plus 3x square plus 4 factorize. So we are writing factorize. This is question number 1 and this is question number 2. So in these questions, if we consider this a square as any, like that, suppose here one format we are getting a square, if we consider as x, then we can tell x square minus 11x plus 10 plus 10. Now seeing this pattern, easily you can tell, sir, we can do the middle term break. Yes, right, you are. Let us try the middle term break. Here 10 into 1, that means the factor of a to the power 4 is 1. Now they go 1 into 10 equals to what? Not 10. Now if we factorize anyway, we need to get minus 11. How we can get? Now 1 10 are 10. Now if we write minus 1 and minus 10, we are getting minus 11. So here we can write next line a to the power 4 minus just 10a square minus a square plus 10 we can write, means this one we can break into these two parts. Yes or no? We can break. Now next line, from here these two terms we can get as common. A square we can get as common. So what is remaining now? A square minus 10 is remaining, and here also if we take 1 as common, then we can write a square minus 10 only, because if we take minus as common, then the inside sign changes, plus becomes minus. So from here and here, what is common? Now a square minus 10 is common. So remaining what? Now a square minus 1 is common. Now 10 is not any perfect square, so either we can leave this way also, a square minus 10 only we will write, but a square minus 1 we can write a square minus 1 square. So as 1 square means 1, so a square minus b square format we know a plus b into a minus b, where b is nothing but 1. So easily a square minus 1 we can break into a plus 1 into a minus 1. So this is the result of the factorization. Some students, if the student wants to do like, if the students want to do like that, a square minus root 10 square can be written, and then a plus 1 into a minus 1. What we can get now? A plus under root 10 and a minus under root 10, and this is a plus 1 and a minus 1. So this is the answer. Actually, if we write here answer, then also it's enough, or you may extend to this part. Now the question comes for this one. So what we can do for this one, check it. Now here also using the middle term break I am trying to move, but if we move this way, this answer will not come so easily. Why? Now if we want to 4, if I see, they go very interesting. We cannot, why can't we get one middle term breaking? That we can come to know now. Here suppose 4 into 1, here coefficient of x to the power 4 is 1. So 4 into 1 means 1 into 4, that is 4. And if we want to break, now 1 4 ja 4. Now 3 I want to get. Definitely it's 4 minus 1 equals to 3. Okay, let us write. So if we write x to the power 4 plus 4x square minus 1x square means only x square plus 4. Please note it, and very serious note. If you find, that means a single minus sign or any odd number of minus sign if is present in the expression, then we cannot get any common factor. Like that, for here, suppose if we want to take one factor x square common, so you can tell, sir, this is the x square plus 4 we are writing. Sir, from here take one common. Okay, I am taking what we can take common. Suppose we are taking as 1 as common. What we are taking as 1 as common. So what we can write? X square minus 4. Follow it. Here it is x square plus 4. But here it is x square minus 4. So we cannot get any common here. Even here it is x square, here it is 1. So no common terms we are getting, so that we can take it in the beginning only. So no such chance. So the conclusion is what? If there is any single or odd number of minus sign in the expression, we cannot factorize. Do not forget. Now see, so this way, by middle term break, we cannot solve it. So how can we solve it? See here. We can solve directly by trying to make it a perfect square. How can we make perfect square? Okay, let us write x to the power 4. We can write x square. We can write, means x to the power 4, we can write this one, plus 2 dot, means perfect square means a plus b whole square format or a minus b whole square format. So x square already plus is there, so plus 2a, this is a, suppose 2a dot what, that can give here plus 4, means this is 2 square. We can write 4 means 2 square. So definitely if we write here 2, so this becomes a perfect square, whole becomes a perfect square. So now whenever we are writing, the perfect square is what? Na x square plus 2 whole square we can write. But the fact is here, so 3x square. And if I multiply 2 into 2, that is 4x square. But here is 3x square. That means 1x square we have written extra, that we must subtract. So subtract. Now here it is x square we can write. Now देखो, this is whole as a, suppose this is whole as a. Which one is whole as a? Suppose we are considering this is as a and this is as b. If we take this one, so a square minus b square, what we can write? Na a plus b into a minus b. Little arrange x square plus x plus 2, and here we are getting x square minus x plus 2. So I hope that two similar looking sums, but the approach is different. So now see these two sums. So how to solve? See the pattern here. In this case, here it is 99, 101. And here just the reverse we are finding, 101 and 99. So whenever this kind of, to the left hand side, you are finding this kind of pattern, 99, 101, and the reverse 101, 99. So in this case, you will one time add and another time subtract, and you can solve the equation very easily. Suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So from adding 1 and 2, suppose adding 1 and 2, what we can get adding 1 and 2? You can see here we can get 200x plus 200y equals to 1000xy. So from here 200 if we take common, then x plus y equals to 5xy we are getting. So this you got. Now make it equation number 3. See here, if we subtract, that is 2 from 1. Now subtracting 2 from 1 means equation 2 from equation 1. What we can get? We can write minus 2x. We can write here it is, this is minus 99y. So whenever minus 99y, 101 minus 99, that is 2y. And here what we are getting? This minus this is minus 2xy we are getting. So from here, if we take minus 2 common from both the sides, what we can write? Now we can write x minus y equals to, that is only xy we can write, and as we can give the name as equation number 4. So x minus y equals to xy we have written. Okay, now see here, x plus y equals to 5xy and x minus y equals to xy we are getting. Now again further addition and subtraction, adding equation 3 and 4. Why should we add? Here it is plus y and that is minus y. Whenever plus y and minus y we are finding two opposite sign, we must add. But if we find that means two same sign, we must subtract one from the other. So in this case, if we add, this is equation number 3 and 4, what we are getting? Now we are getting adding equation number 3 and 4. What we are getting? No, x plus x, that is 2x, and y cut off, and we are getting this is 6xy. So from here what we can take, y equals to 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3 we can get. So we are getting y equals to 1 by 3. Now this same y equals to 1 by 3, if we put in any equation, which equation you want to put? Suppose you want to put in this equation 3. So from equation 3, what we can get from equation 3? Now we need to get the value of x. So take this 5xy to this side. So if we take then x common, so 1 minus 5y we can write. Because we need to get the value of x, and y is going to that side equals to minus y we can write. X, if we, this is x minus 5xy equals to minus y. So x we take common, that is 1 minus 5y equals to, we can write, that is your minus y. So up to this, as the space is short, so just I am jumping the steps, but in exam don't try to jump the steps. So this we are getting. Now put the value of y equals to 1 by 3. So x 1 minus 5 into 1 by 3 equals to minus again 1 by 3 we are writing. So what we are getting from here, x under bracket 1 minus 5 by 3. देखो 1 minus 5 by 3 is already 1 minus is coming, that is 3 minus 5 minus 2 by 3. So minus 2 by 3 equals to minus 1 by 3, and whenever from here we are getting x equals to easily, that is minus 1 by 3 into minus 3 by 2. So 3 cut off, that is 1 by 2. We are getting 1 by 2. So hence two answers we are getting. That is, what is that? X means x equals to half and y equals to 1 by 3 we are getting. So therefore, just for here I am writing. Acha, if we try to write here just the space is there. I am using later, we can clean it. So x equals to, we are getting here half, and y equals to 1 by 3. This is one answer. But there is a question whether only x and y, this value putting will satisfy the equation or not. If we put, definitely the equation will be satisfied. Now instead of x half and y as 1 by 3, if we want to put any other value, let us check. Suppose x if we put as 0, so it will be what? 99 into 0 is 0, and then plus 101y, and this is x as is 0, so 0 into any value is 0, so ultimately y also we are getting 0. So we are getting another answers. That means when x and y as 0 we are putting, both the sides are satisfying. So we are getting x equals to 0 and y also equals to 0. That means x if we put as 0, y will get 0. If we put y as 0, x will get as 0. So this kind of question will have two answers. What are the two answers? One is x. So answer we will write this way. What that way we will write? X equals to, that is half, and y equals to 1 by 3, or x equals to 0, y equals to 0. Therefore, or 0, 0 is the answer for x and y. Are you understanding or not? I hope this one you understood. Now let us solve this one. If we, here you are seeing that 99, 101, but here to 3x and this is to first of all y. We have to rearrange it. So before that, let us clean this one. See here. So this is not in reverse situation. So let it be equation 1 and this is equation 2. So this one little arranging. From here equation 2, instead of, we are not writing here, just we are writing as minus x plus 21y equals to 2xy. This is equation 2 we are writing. Now there it is 3x, it is means coefficient of x is 3, coefficient of x is minus 1, and this is also different, y as 14, y as 21. Whereas that sum we had 99 and 101 to the left hand side in reverse format. So in this case, how we can solve? Directly we can try to solve it. Here 3x, here x, here 21y, 14y, 5xy, 2xy. So let us equalize any one coefficient of any one variable as same with same sign or opposite sign. So what we can see here, as it is minus related, it is positive. So any minus and plus related any value if we consider, then it is easier to solve because we can add the equations. So it is minus x. If we multiply this equation into 3, then what we can get as minus 3x, and this is 3 into 21, we can get 63y, and this is 3 into 2, 6xy, and we are considering as 3. Now this is 1 you write down you just write down 3x plus 14y equals to 5xy. This was as 1. Now this is minus sign, this is plus sign, and coefficients are same. Here minus 3, here 3. So we are adding equation 1 and 3. So adding 1 and 3. What we can get adding 1 and 3? Now we are getting here 63 plus this is, we are getting 77y equals to, this is 11xy. So from here we can get, now x equals to 7 we are getting, because y cut off and 77 by 11, that is 7. So we are getting x equals to 7. Now put this value in one equation. Suppose in equation number x as 7, so we are putting in equation number 2 we are putting. So from equation 2, what you can get as x equals to 7, so we are writing this is minus 7 plus 21y equals to 2 into 7 into y. Next line we can write minus 7 plus 21y equals to 14y. Next we can write minus 7 equals to, this 21 is going to that side, that is minus 7y. Ultimately y equals to only 1 we are getting, so x equals to 7 and y equals to 1. Therefore x equals to 7, y equals to, we are writing 1. Now the question is, let us try putting as x equals to 0. If we put x equals to 0, then 3 into 0, 0. This is 14y, and this will be 5 into 0 into y, that is 0. So ultimately y value also 0 divided by any value, any real value is 0. So we are getting 0. Now whenever placing the value of y as 0, then we are getting as x also is 0, because 0 into any value to the right hand side 0 it is coming, here it is 0 and it is 3x. So x equals to 0 divided by 3, x equals to 0 divided by 3 is 0. So we are getting this one, or x equals to 0, y equals to 0, and these are the answers. I hope the sums you understood. So for the day, bye bye.